Hello there dear audience. In this video I will try to find out how much a single point of fuel or munition worth in manpower. There is no market to directly exchange these resources. So I must use other methods to estimate the relative values. First of all, I have used the call-in abilities and other commander-bound capabilities. To my surprise, there are actually 4 abilities which give you resources at allies and only 3 at Wehrmacht. SS have no abilities in this regard. Also there are call-in weapons at both Wehrmacht and Soviets included. I did not use abilities which deduct your manpower gain for a period of time, as it would include time as another component. The results give a clear 3 munition for 1 fuel exchange while we do not get a clear result for manpower munition rates. And 1 to 1,6 or a 1 to 2,13 munition to manpower values can be read from previous observations. However, from 1,6 to 22 manpower for 1 munition can also be read from other exchanges. While the median value is around 4. Second method, I take a look at different vehicles' costs and try to compare the manpower requirement with the fuel and munition. I took the previously uncovered 3 munitions for 1 fuel as true. For my sadness, this gave no useful result as the values fluctuated between 1,3 and 4,6 more manpower than munition. After all, the time needed for manpower and fuel munition needs is roughly the same. You could say it were a conversation, but the abilities do not make fair exchanges. As when we give manpower we should receive more and the munition drop weapons likely to cost less than it should to create advantage for using them. Looking at the combined area of where the correct ratio can be, we can draw the conclusion that 2,13 is closer even though 1,6 sounds easier for counting. So my final answer is 2,5 manpower for a munition and 7,5 manpower for a single fuel point. While it is likely not the precise value, it is easy to make the calculations and relatively close to the other data. I ask you to please remember this rate as I will reference it in the upcoming calculations.